Welcome to another Trans Am video, and I'm trying to stay in the shade here because the sun's out and it's very bright. You know, I ain't got sunglasses on because I don't have none. Do you see any? I sure don't. But we got a bad smell of gas coming in when you drive this. It's pretty much a death trap on wheels, because if you take this on a trip for about an hour, you get extremely sleepy. And all you smell is like carbon dioxide and fuel. So we checked the back hatch seal. You don't have to say it in the comments. We checked that. It's not the back hatch seal. We checked the door seal. It has to be something with the EVAP, or we got a bad fuel leak right around this wheel here. Somehow it's coming inside. So we're going to jack it up, take a look at the EVAP together. And if you think it's something else, maybe you dealt with this same issue on your car, let me know in the comment section. Did your back hatch seal look good? And did it turn out to be that issue? I don't know. This one looks good. I don't think it's the hatch issue. But we're going to check the EVAP, check the top of the fuel tank. And we might order check under the carpet for an access hole. Have you checked for an access hole, Shane? Shane said it's not got an access hole. Well, is this the last Trans Am without an access hole? You know, the one in the hatch? I don't know. Let's just get this jacked up and the wheel off so we can take a look. We are using the Daytona jack from Harbor Freight. I highly recommend these jacks. They're extremely overkill and too heavy, but they work great. So I'm going to scotch this, make sure it's safe. You always want to be safe when working on any vehicle. Scotched. Did and jack these up on the correct place, because people put them in the wrong place and they mess up the body line and everything on the fenders. Where did you put this at? On the pinch wheel? Mm-hmm. On the pinch wheel. That's what it's all for, is to jack up stuff. Let's jack together. That didn't come out right, did it?
No.
It didn't.
It didn't.
Nope, it didn't. I got a saw saw in there. You want to take the exhaust off? I mean, like that, it hangs. One little thing. It'll be straight piped. Then all you have to do, take your tips and one of them, have them bit. Mm-hmm. Or have that Flowmaster put on it. Did you still got your Flowmaster?
Nope.
What the hell, Shane? Okay, we're going to zip this off now. This is the Earthquake from Harbor Freight. Notice we got a lot of Harbor Freight tools. Because we ain't Snap-on guys on this channel. I mean, we are, but we can't afford them. So, this thing's been very good. It's fully charged. I highly recommend this if you can get them. On eBay, you can pick these up for about $175 used. So, if you can't find them and you're on a budget, I can recommend these safely. So, we're zipping the tire off. Yes, I know, we're using chrome socket. It's also tread point. You can use chrome sockets on the impacts. It's not recommended, but it's perfectly fine. It works 72% of the time. For the ones that don't, you make a mess of something. Did it work, Shane? Oh, it's got covers on it. Look at that, see? That was a nail in the tire. That's been a long time, Shane.
Yeah, I know.
What date was these tires made on? In case y'all didn't know, the dot number 2017. Look at that. It's made in 2017. You know, the ones came off my Avalanche was made in 2011. So how we're going to be checking this is we're going to remove this bolt, and there's a bolt up in here. Shane has assured me somewhere that we got to remove. Then we can look back in here at the tank and the EVAP. Oh no, this looks pretty good. Yeah, it needs some links right there on the sway bar, but it's fine. That's not fine. I better quit looking, it's getting expensive. And after some time with those bolts, hopefully yours is a little bit easier, and you want to know the size before you jump in. Ours is this size. Both those bolts was a pain in the you can fill in the rest. Try to keep it PG-13 sometimes. Okay, Shane, you want me to look in there? The people want to see what we got going on. The people's going to see what we got going on. Oh, God, dog. I'm going to fall here in the ice. I'm fatter than you. The tire needs to go back further. Okay, what we're looking at is a fill neck and the EVAP canister right here. Now we can check the lines and we can shine a light back in here and you can see the fuel tank and you can get a glimpse to see if we got a fuel leak. Start this up, Shane. I personally don't smell a leak right now, but when we start it is when you smell it. You know, kind of like it's either EVAP or all that good stuff. Or bad stuff.
Ready?
Yep. Wing. That's the EVAP. Turn the flash on. Oh yeah, I smell it. Yeah, it's pretty stout. And we got a new gas cap on it too. So it wasn't the gas cap. It's gas cap to the locking one. Oh yeah, that's pretty bad.
See you back on the tank?
I can see a little bit back on the tank. I mean, with this. I mean, is that it? Oh, does that? Maybe. That might be it. I don't know. It's something in here. For sure. It kind of got that propane type wild gas smell to it. You know, and it's just when the car's running. Shane's going to check it out a little bit better because I don't know what's going on. I personally don't know what could be. It's either EVAP lines, air coming in that way, or it's a leak on the tank, or somewhere it's getting fumes right around that EVAP. Could be a bad EVAP hose, you know, letting the fumes come out as it's trying to push them into the canister. All it takes is a cracked EVAP lines, and you know, you end up, you know, driving and passing out behind the wheel, cause of carbon dioxide. So we're going to dig a little bit deeper in this, and we'll give you an update. Before you get the update, comment below what you think the issue is. Go on. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Do I got a clamp? Yes, we do got clamps. We found the issue. It turns out it's a hose. Most of the time it is hoses. That's what we're looking back on. It's one back, kind of bud around the end. They plastic it, and it just ain't sealing good. So it's letting all that EVAP fumes come up in the wheel well, and then somehow it gets inside the hatch, and then, you know, it's dangerous. But we put the hose back on. The smell went away. So we went ashore. We poured the hose back off, and it came back. So we're going to put a clamp on it, stick it in there, and hopefully it's fixed. If not, it's fixed good enough for us. Maybe not fixed good enough for most people, but for a $2,500 Trans Am, it's good enough. Me and Shane, we're test driving it, and no more smell. We actually could take this on a road trip now and not like fall free, you know? Yeah, because carbon dioxide from an EVAP canister, fumes from gas, any kind of stuff like that is silent but deadly. Remember that. Now I shine. Yeah, it is. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you fixed your car, vehicle, what you messing with, have a strong gas smell, carbon dioxide, whatever. Hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully you found the problem. Thank you for your comments. Thanks for watching. Check the eBay store out. The tools on there. I listed some used tools, and I know a lot of you need tools. It helps me, you know, and you watching helps me too, and then likes and comments. But, you know, a little extra support if you need something. Check the eBay store out, description below. Thanks again.